Hey everybody, it's Chris from Steeda, and today we have an exciting new product. This is a GT500 style spoiler with a tinted wicker bill on the end that will completely change the rear end of your S550 Mustang. This spoiler fits all 2015 plus S550 Mustangs. It's a direct fit replacement for the factory spoiler, so it will fit in all of those factory holes. Comes with the necessary hardware for installation, and frankly, it really does change up the rear end of your S550 Mustang. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to really change up the rear end of your Mustang, this spoiler is the way to go. It is a little bit different than the Ford Performance spoiler in that it has a tinted wicker bill on the back. I think this is pretty cool because it does increase the visibility in comparison to the gurney flap on the Ford Performance spoiler, but all in all, you really can't beat the value you get with this beautiful gloss black finish and the additional styling benefits you get from a GT500 style spoiler, not to mention the additional downforce you're going to get when you're driving your car at speed. This spoiler is delivered to your doorstep with the gurney flap installed, but fret not if you want to remove the gurney flap, whether it be for gas mileage or just a cleaner look, you can do that to your own liking. In terms of how to install this, it's just like any other spoiler on the S550 Mustang. The hardest part is removing the factory spoiler, and then once that's done, you get all the adhesive off, you can drop this right into place. If you're looking for a step-by-step on how to install a spoiler on your S550 Mustang, check out our Ford Performance spoiler install right here on Steeda's YouTube channel. We've already installed this GT500 style spoiler on our Q350 EcoBoost build, and frankly, it does change the entire look of the rear of that car. And in comparison to the factory spoiler on that car, it really does add some additional downforce where it's needed. If you're looking to change up the rear end of your S550 Mustang, hit us up at Steeda.com, not only for this spoiler, but plenty of other Ford and Mustang performance parts. Comment below, let us know your thoughts or what other parts you want to see us do videos on here on the Steeda YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.